Learning English is like taking small steps every day. At first, it might feel slow, but with time, practice, and patience, you will begin to see the results. Just like when you start something new. It's normal to struggle at first. But with consistency and effort, you will improve. And soon you will feel proud of how far you have come. Imagine trying to learn a new language. The first words you learn might be difficult to remember, and you might make mistakes. But that's okay. Every mistake is a step towards getting better. Just like learning to ride a bike. At first you might fall or wobble. But after practicing, you will be able to ride smoothly. Take the example of Albert Einstein. He didn't speak English when he moved to the United States. And it wasn't easy for him at first. But he worked hard and didn't give up. Over time, his English improved. And he went on to become one of the world's greatest scientists. His story shows that hard work and patience lead to great things. Even when it feels difficult in the beginning. J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, also had a tough time at the start. She faced many challenges. And her first book was rejected multiple times. But she didn't give up on her dream. She kept writing, and now her books are loved by millions. Her story teaches us that with perseverance, even when things seem hard, you can achieve your goals. Another example is Jackie Chan. Growing up, Jackie didn't speak English. But he wanted to make movies in Hollywood. It wasn't easy for him. And he made mistakes along the way. But he practiced every day. And now he is known worldwide for his martial arts and acting. Jackie's success shows that learning English, like any new skill, takes time and effort. But it's worth it in the end. Learning English is not always easy. But every day you practice, you are getting closer to your goal. Don't be discouraged if progress feels slow at first. Like building a house. It takes time to create a strong foundation. With each word you learn and every sentence you try, you are building your skills, one step at a time. So, don't give up. Keep practicing, and over time, You will see how much you have learned. Just like other famous people who didn't give up, you can reach your goals too. Keep going, and soon you will be amazed at how far you have come.